In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Perplexity Pro completely free as a student. Normally, Perplexity Pro costs $20 per month, but by following the exact steps shown in this video, you'll unlock 1 month of Perplexity Pro, along with access to Perplexity's AI-powered Comet browser, which is currently invite-only and usually available only with the Max plan, costing around $200 per month, all completely free. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, and most important, click on the special invite link I've added in the description. This link will directly take you to Comet's download page. Here, hit the Download Comet button, and you'll be redirected to the sign-up screen. Enter your college or university email address, click Continue with Email, and then check your inbox for the verification code. Copy that code, paste it back here, and move ahead. Next comes the student verification process, which is the key step to unlocking your Pro benefits. Click on Verify as a student, and a form will open. Fill in the required details carefully, choose your country, type your school name, select it from the list, and enter your full name, birth date, and the same email you used earlier. Double-check everything and click on Verify My Student Status. You'll now land on the Sheer ID verification portal. You can simply click on your email and proceed, but instead of completing this step, I suggest you to go back to the previous tab and click on Upload Proof of Enrollment. The easiest option is to use your student ID card. Click Add Documents, select your file, and submit it. Once uploaded, the system will take a few moments to verify your details. When your verification is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message along with an email approval. After that, click Continue to head back to the Comet browser download page. The download should start automatically, but if it doesn't, just click Download Comet manually. Once the setup file is downloaded, open it, click Start Install, and wait for the installation to finish. Then, launch the Comet browser and click Get Started. It'll ask if you want to import data from other browsers like Chrome. You can either import your data or skip this step. Next, set up your profile by entering a username, choosing a theme, and selecting Dark, Light, or System Default Mode. Adjust any final preferences like making Comet your default browser or adding it to your taskbar, and then click Start Comet. Finally, log in again using the same student email address and enter the verification code from your inbox. That's it. Your Perplexity Comet browser is ready to use, and you'll also enjoy 1 free month of Perplexity AI Pro. Try entering a prompt or browsing a few websites. Everything should work seamlessly. That's all for today's tutorial. If you'd like to learn pro tips to make the most out of Comet, check the video on your screen. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.